Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to protect your private files and add an extra layer of security, as Windows does not have a built-in password lock feature for folders. There are some effective options you can try, so, without further ado, let's begin. Firstly, locate the folder you want to lock and open it. Right-click on an empty space within the File Explorer window and select the new option and then Text File. In the text file, paste the code provided in the description below. Locate this line in the code and replace your password line with the password of your choice. Click the File menu at the top and select Save As, give any name to the file, and add the .bat extension at the end. Select all files under the Save As type drop-down menu and click on Save. Double-click the .bat file to run it. This will create a new folder named Private in the same directory. Move all the files and folders you want to lock into the private folder. Double-click your batch file again. Once you have placed your files in the private folder, in the command prompt window, input Y and press Enter. Your folder should now disappear. To access it later, double-click the batch file and enter the password you set earlier. If you enter your password correctly, the private folder will reappear. Another way to secure and compress your sensitive documents on Windows is by using a popular desktop program called 7-Zip. It was primarily used for unzipping folders and extracting files. 7-Zip also lets you password protect folders, so, here's how to use it. Download and install 7-Zip on your PC. Locate the file or folder you want to protect. Right-click on the file, and then Show More Options. Go to the 7-Zip option and select Add to Archive. You can rename the file of your choice. Select the Delete File After Compression checkbox. Enter your new password in the encryption section and click OK. Once you complete the steps above, your folder will be replaced by a zip file. To access its content, right-click your zip file and select 7-Zip and choose Extract here. You will then be prompted to enter your password. After entering the password, you will be able to access your files. While Windows does not have a feature to lock folders with a password, it does provide the option to hide them. By changing the folder's properties to hidden, you can make it invisible in File Explorer. To do this, simply right-click a file or folder and select Properties, then, check the Hidden option under Attributes and click Apply. Your file or folder should now disappear. To view your folder again, you will need to configure Windows to show hidden files and folders. You can do this by opening File Explorer options and selecting the Show Hidden Files checkbox under the View tab. There are some third-party apps that provide the facilities of folder lock with a password. Some of them are IOBit Protected Folder, EaseUS Lock My File, Folder Lock and Wise Folder Hider, etc. So, that was it. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any question, just comment down below. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.